Start streaming. Ah. Wait, what? Oh, darn. Frick heck. I have to... Hang on, I'm gonna have to do some stuff here with my computer and rotate it. So, I think until my monitor's on screen is probably a good measurement of when I should stop rotating it. But I've got to turn my computer until the monitor's on screen. Okay, there we go. So you can see my monitor now. Okay, and truly I welcome all 0 of you. Actually, okay. You should be able to hear me now. Yes, I truly welcome all 0 of you to this live stream. You need to change the video resolution. Shut up. Which is not supported for this configuration. What does that even mean? Does that mean that they're just too lazy to scale it themselves, or? I mean, yeah, the United States has really bad internet. Plus, my computer isn't it's not really, really good computer. It's okay for Minecraft and stuff and making videos, but streaming, I don't know. I think our upload speed's probably pretty bad. Anyway, at least it's better than cellular data. Anyway, we're going to save the world. So, Ecosia is the search engine that plants trees. Okay. So, what we're going to do is we're going to Google different things. Map of the Great Amazon Desert. You know, it's in the thumbnail. XD. Mojave Desert. No, I want the Great Amazon Desert. So we're gonna plant some trees. Tree. Just gonna search tree. I can't tell if it just went up. Okay, so I have to do this. So apparently I have to create a Chrome. So apparently I have to install a Chrome extension first. It can read and change your data on all ecosia.org sites. Replace the page you see when opening a new tab. I don't care. Anyway. It's useful, I guess. I mean, it's useful for not killing everything. Continue to Ecosia. Why are humans so gay? Why people what? Why people are gay? No. I don't care about actual homosexuals and why they're gay. Well, I'm not saying I don't care about gay people just because they're gay, but you know what I mean. I want to know why humanity is big gay. Why the heck? Why would you do all of... Actually, hang on. Why are axolotls endangers? Okay, so basically, humans freaking suck because axolotls are endangered because of them. Humans are freaking retarded. Can we please, not kill axolotls? They're so cool. They're like the best animal. I mean, also, if you run over grubworms with your car, I mean, it's probably not gonna have too much of an effect on, different, a grand scale, but still, it's pretty mean. You're murdering a bug that didn't do anything to you. It probably did less to you than a wasp did. You're not scared of them. You're just freaking stupid. I mean, if you're scared of a grubworm, you're freaking dumb. They're literally just... They're literally just bugs. They can't hurt you. They're just grubworms. I mean, sure, they might poop on you, which is gross. But I'm just gonna stop talking and we're gonna do some searching, okay? Minecraft. I don't know what we should search for. We're gonna search different questions. Okay? Actually no. I'm gonna do. Wait. So do they only plant a tree if I oh okay. That's a nice website design. It's literally just like it has the same layout as Google, except that it's better. Google's not very good. I mean, their search engine's good. Nothing else they do is good. YouTube especially. It's pretty bad. Okay, you search the web, we plant trees, okay? I mean, we don't want, what's it called? Frick, what's that one thing? It became, right, the Lorax. Wait, so is the Lorax, is the Lorax real? Help. Okay, we plant trees where they are needed most. Our trees benefit people, the environment, and local economies. Okay. Every search counts. See how Ecosia users are changing the world. We stand for a better internet. Complete transparent. More than CO2 neutral. Every search request removes 1 kilogram of CO2 from the atmosphere. That's a bit of a bold claim there. How are you doing that? You just like, do you just have like a big tube to like suck all that carbon dioxide? You don't sell your data to advertisers. Well, I'm immediately sold. Except I'm not sold because they don't sell your data to advertisers. Well, and have no 30 party within 1 week. Exactly does this mean? Apparently furries use this. What? There's like 2 share Ecosia buttons. What the heck?
Outside? Ryan, come see. It's
I'm trying to save the world by searching a bunch of things.
It's raining, thunderstorming, lightning. Hail.
I don't want to be out there for that, guys.
Alright. So, I got an idea. What we're gonna do is, we're going to search up, cute seals. So we have, These cute seals. Yeah, these cute seals will make you want to leave your flamethrower at home before going to, Antarctica or wherever seals live. Or, like, I don't really know where seals live, to be honest. But, anyway, we're going to, hang on, let's see if we can find this one thing. So, yeah, these are obviously all going to be adorable. Yes, here it is. This is the one that created a new religion. Just by existing. Or was it? I don't really remember which one it was. Wasn't it like standing under a tree or something? But it looks like it is pretty similar to Google, though. This is... Yeah, I think this is the one that created a new religion just by existing. We have this. Is this real? It's like blue. It's like purple. It's like it's Thanos Weasel. It's Thanos Weasel. It when it snaps, it loses 50% of the length of its body. So we're gonna go back. Oh no, it changes the URL so many times that I don't like it. Ah, frick. Okay, so we're gonna do this, alright? Minecraft. Actually, you know what? We're gonna look for genuine reasons why, Fortnite good. We're gonna look for general reasons why Fortnite is good. Okay, we're gonna look for genuine reasons why Fortnite is better than Minecraft. Why is Fortnite better than Minecraft? Because, I mean, it clearly isn't. Fortnite is actually, it literally ripped off Minecraft in so many ways. It basically exists just by stealing other people's ideas. Like, it stole people's actual intellectual property in the form of emotes, and it also stole Minecraft's 20 hertz tick rate for a while. It also stole, it stole the idea of having cartoony visuals from all of the games that actually did a good job at having cartoony visuals. You know, like, um, that one game with the green boy is called Zelda or something. I think that, yeah, the green Zelda elf boy, man. Okay, I'm gonna stop eating my microphone now because that's gay. Is Minecraft better than Fortnite? Pro Minecraft. Pro Fortnite. That's being slow and bad. More. Pro Minecraft, we have lots of those. Hang on, I'm gonna go get my popcorn. Alright. So we're gonna actually read this now. Because I want to use this as an actual search engine. Of course. I mean, we're not just gonna use bots. Or are we? Anyway. So we have, the different survival difficulty options, and we have a creative mode. We have this about creative mode, and it literally doesn't have any limits. That is a pretty big thing, because Fortnite, to be honest, is really repetitive, and it gets old pretty quickly. That's why they update it in ways people hate. And then all the players still act like Fortnite is better than Minecraft, just because, oh, well, Minecraft has an art style that's different. So we have this. We have servers where you can play different mini games, challenge games, and creative plots. You can easily install mods to introduce cool stuff not found in the normal game. Oh yeah, and you can still play. You can still play do things even after defeating the Ender Dragon. Cool creative projects, recreating movies or TV shows in Minecraft. Shut the frick up! Minecraft is helping it's helping government and charity in Africa. Um, Minecraft map. Minecraft map are easy to download and play. You can visit past versions of Minecraft to 1.0. No, I'm pretty sure you can visit versions like before that. You just don't know how to enable them in your launcher. It's not that hard. Literally just turn on those two little checkboxes. Made in Sweden. It also has a track called Sweden that sounds really good. um, Texture packs are awesome. So are shaders. Much more. Pro Fortnite. A battle royale game. Huge fan base. Has a creative mode. You can thank the bus driver. Made in America by the same people who made Unreal Engine. Against Minecraft. The Better Together update, while it's an amazing idea, has ruined the UI for many Minecraft players, but only a small portion left due to this and the update. But only a small portion left due to this and the update itself. The store, let's be honest, nobody likes having to pay for a game you have already paid for. You're not paying for the game, you're paying for user-created content, so like it's way better than paying for Fortnite skins, where you're literally just paying to unlock more content that isn't even substantial content. It's not. It can't even be. It can barely even be considered content. It's literally just like another model. It's literally a game model, and they're making you pay like $5 for it. That you know what that's called? A scam. Its fan base, while diminishing, there's still a huge amount of young children. People who hate blocky things hate this game. Oh yeah, like retards. Oh yeah, like retards because they like models with way too many polygons in the wrong places. Seriously, nobody likes angular armpits. That's gross. Illuminati confirmed. Seriously though, it does look pretty gross. Like it like how angular it is, it looks really blocky there, and that's like the wrong place to have blocky elements on your character. Lol. Against Fortnite gets boring after a hole, aka the repetitiveness. V-Bucks, the in-game currency you get by buying a certain amount. You can't get other cooler stuff without buying V-Bucks. You'll be called a noob, of course. Oh yeah, because noobs are people who aren't easily scammed. Of course. While it has a huge player base, a lot are young and or act immature sometimes. This is one kid. You might have seen him in my one live stream I did that one time, where like his people were telling me to play Fortnite, and then I mean obviously it wasn't really as good as people were saying it was, but this one kid was just saying the F word every freaking opportunity. Oh no, I said frick, and then he was making fun of my username. Just do it, just checking off. It's like he had a list pulled up on his phone, just going through and checking off all the annoying 12-year-old traits. For fun. The creative mode is known as Playgrounds. It's only 1 hour and everything is lost after that. That does make it kind of not very good. Like, it seems poopy to me. I'm not sure why you would do that. Yes. Fortnite dancers are big gay. How it has affected people in real life. I'm not gonna say anything about that. Okay. The massive amount of money some parents pay to tutor to have their kid play better. Oh yeah, the parents that are stupid. Lol. Because Fortnite isn't actually like just because there's a drop in global temperatures 1 year doesn't mean global warming doesn't exist. And like that's obvious. It's only one map. Yes, that is pretty annoying. And then like people, and then like it's really only 50. It's really only like 10 people. Fortnite is really only like 10 players because like the other 90 of them just drop at tilted towers and die immediately, and then the 2 that do survive that are like like they kind of just leave the game. It gets annoying after a while to people who don't want to play it. I know.
Are you trying to imply I tried to say that Fortnite's good?
Lol. Let me be clear here. I am very open-minded in it, and I do not believe that any game is better than any other. Except I do. Minecraft is way better than Fortnite ever will be. I have never played and never will play such a stupid game in my life. While Fortnite brings out the raging autistic 9-year-old inside you asking others where you're going to land because you can't make decisions for yourself and ruthlessly slaughter strangers in an attempt to get a win. Minecraft brings out your inner creativity, skill, leadership, showmanship, and basically what makes you a good person. Holy poop, that word. Oh, it's a long sentence. Anyway, very long word thing. There's too many words. Is Pokemon better than Monopoly?
Yes.
That's literally not a fair comparison. Because,
They both get boring after a while. It's the same problem. So they're both the same. They both have the same problem, so it's not really.
like, that's not even a valid comparison because, like, if you put. Hang on. I want to show you something cool. I want to show you this cool little fun fact about JavaScript here. Just while we're at it. If we put Pokemon is greater than Monopoly, we get true. And also if we put also here's proof that Fortnite bad. If we put Minecraft greater than Fortnite, true. It actually does say true. Oh yeah, right. You can't see me pointing to the screen. You just see me pointing in some random direction on your screen. I keep forgetting that I'm stupid. Okay. So, why is this? Well, unfortunately, this actually doesn't prove anything. Because if we type Fortnite with a lowercase f, we get false. So why? Why would Minecraft be greater than Fortnite and then not be greater than Fortnite? No. To all you annoying 12-year-olds out there who are actually not 12, they just say they're 12 because they just say they're 12 because they're dumb. They're actually 9. Except that actually no, they're not mature enough to have ever to even know what PewDiePie is. So obviously they're 8. So why is this? Well, if we put A greater than B, we get false. If we put A less than B, we get true. So less than and greater than actually compare strings based on their character codes. It can actually be used to alphabetize strings. Anyway, I'm gonna stop talking now. What's a deliver span? Yeah, there were these two annoying 8-year-olds, and they're probably not 8-year-olds, I'm pretty sure they're not, But, they said Fortnite has better building than Minecraft. What the frick? That's the most stupid thing anyone has ever said. Like, why? A game where you can't even make a solid structure. You're saying you'd rather not make a solid structure. Oh, frick, that was scary. Oh. Seems like we failed to protect the world from devastation. And to unite the people with our nation. You know, actually, Team Rocket is just a group of, climate change activists. Seriously, why would you like Fortnite? You see, the difference here is that Fortnite is a trend game. It just, it literally copied everything in it is basically copied from something else. And they mostly do all the things worse. Like, they copied cartoony graphics from many previous games made by other companies, and they did it way worse. They copied Minecraft's 20 hertz tick rate. They copied building from Minecraft. They copied Battle Royale from PUBG. I mean, obviously, it factually is. Fortnite factually did copy. Fortnite Battle Royale, at least, factually did copy PUBG. I'm serious, it really did. Because one existed before the other, and one was slightly popular, and so then they decided to add, and nobody cared about their game. So then they made it the same thing as the other game, just with some mechanics from their previous game. So actually, Fortnite didn't copy building from Minecraft. Fortnite's building system was never meant to be in any way similar to Minecraft. It probably, I don't really know, but I'm pretty sure. I haven't played Fortnite's campaign mode, obviously, because nobody cares about it. But anyway, it, sorry. It copied several people's dances that, like, seriously. Thanos isn't the guy from Fortnite. None of the people in Fortnite that look like real people are the guy from Fortnite. They're really not. You see, they stole it. Kind of like how they... Actually, you know what? Fortnite isn't too bad because... You know what? I'll forgive Fortnite because it took all the annoying, cringy people. It took all the retards out of Minecraft fanbase. Oops, I said retard. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for saying retard. But, anyway. Top 10 reasons why Fortnite sucks. What the heck is the top 10s? It's overrated. It's overrated. Yeah, it is pretty overrated. Okay, you know what? Marvel isn't really overrated. It is actually something that does deserve being talked about. However, I would agree that, Jake Paul never deserved to be talked about, because it's just annoying. Lol. Okay. Everyone talks about it. It is luck based. It's boring. Yes. Loot system is super unbalanced. It's repetitive. You get killed too easily. You know, actually, fun fact about Minecraft, you can actually change the loot system if you want to. That's a fun thing. You have to pay real money to get skins. Yes, that is pretty gay. Oops. I keep saying offensive things. Help. I think I'm turning into a not PewDiePie. Actually, I think I'm turning into a PewDiePie because I keep jokingly saying offensive things. It's almost like PewDiePie isn't actually a Nazi and he was just making a joke. It's almost like he's not actually racist.
Help. I'm making a weird face at the camera and it's weird and creepy.
It's overpriced. Oh no! It's overpriced. It's so bad, plus why does it cost so much? It's a free game, these are clearly jokes.
So you paid a company for something that they stole? Be gone, bot.
It is not fun. You can't argue that it didn't. It factually did. Just shut up. You know what? I'm gonna shut up about that, and we're gonna actually search some real things. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, so what we're gonna do? Oh wow, this even has the same URLs as Google. All right, what we're gonna do is we're going to create a bot that will spam search things, and we're going. And it'll, like, we're going to save the world. Or we're going to protect the world from devastation. So, what we're going to do is, first... Oh, no. Scary. Okay. Oh, gosh! I just realized... Oh. Sorry. First, we're testing this, alright? Oh, wait. Alright, so that does work. So we're gonna create a function here called plant trees, alright? You guys are gonna get some, programming knowledge. Alright. Function plant trees. Trees. So our tree count is gonna be, by default, it's gonna be 5, right? So, we're gonna make a for loop here. Oh, we also want this to be strict mode so that we can plant our trees as fast as possible. I don't think running this in strict mode is really gonna do much for us, but oh well. I is less than trees. Alright. I like tree. So now we're going to type in plant trees 5. Oh, wait. Document.body.inner HTML equals an empty string. There we go. Okay. So now we're gonna put. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna plant 2 trees. All right. And now these will load. So yeah, we have now planted 2 trees. We have now planted 2 trees. I think. I'm not sure if we have actually planted 2 trees, but I mean, like, the idea is fun because like, supposedly 1 search equals 1 tree, right? So let's spice it up a little. So of course we've got to make sure that we have that we're using actual text, because we don't want to just be searching meaningless garbage. So what we're going to do is we're going to get a list of Minecraft splashes. Yes, I'm serious. Splashes.txt. Oh, it's not. Alright. It's not right. Dank memes resource pack. I don't think any of this is what I'm looking for. So, Frick. Help. Document.design mode equals on. Encode URI. Wait. Oh, wait. That's not right. Should be like that. So we need to encode a URI here. Because reasons. Minecraft splashes. We want it to be evenly distributed randomness. Okay. Path.random times Minecraft splashes length minus 1. So now, what we need to do here is, oh yeah, right, and we also need to, what was that?
Live streaming?
Yeah? What do you want?
What are you live streaming?
Oh, I'm saving the world. I'm here to protect the world from devastation.
The
to unite the
majestic
people.
Amazon desert?
Yeah. I'm saving the world, okay? I'm saving the world with Minecraft splashes. Apparently my brother has discovered my live stream. So, scary. Why don't you watch it, weirdo? Okay. Also, I was eating some of these, because, I'm a weirdo and I like Swedish fish, so I'm weird. Okay. As you can see, I got this weird one that's like a circle. Yeah, I'm not really sure what's up with this. It's like I can see the basic shape. I can see kind of the details of the fish on it. It's like, but it's like perfectly circular. I'm not sure what happened to it. It's also black. It can say the N word. Sorry. Anyway. Go to our Minecraft data folder. We're going to go to .minecraft, and we're going to go to, what was it again? Versions. And then we're going to go to 1.14.3, because that is the version we want to use. Because it's the most recent version, it'll have all the splashes that we want. So we're going to go to 7-zip file manager so that we can open it as a zip file. Because jar files are actually just zip files, except that they have a bit of extra data in them. Because they're Java archive, and there's no reason to create your own archival format if there's already one that works. So my mouse is like scratched up, and I don't know why. Okay, assets, Minecraft. Text, splashes.txt. So here we are. We have our file now. So since Notepad actually doesn't support Unix line endings, that means we can actually use the line ending character as our search string. I think, I'm not sure. Replace all. Okay, yeah, it works. Yep, that works. So that means what we can do is hang on. We need to copy and paste a Windows line ending. We need to copy and paste a Windows line ending in order to properly replace all. Oh no, I broke it. That's not right. Anyway, what we're going to actually do is we're going to go back here and put this. We're going to have our things at the start and end of the array. So now, now that we have this stuff ready, we're going to put that. So now, replace all. We should be able to put var Minecraft splashes equals that particular piece of code stuff there. I guess it's just too many things. Oh, frick! It broke. No. Oh, wait. We need to undo what we just did. And then... So we need... Control H. So what we need to do is replace before we do that, we have to replace all instances of the quotation mark character with backslash quotation mark. Like, they have to be escaped so that it doesn't, so it's not broken. Okay, paste. So, yeah, we're gonna put that there and then replace all. So now we have replaced all of the line endings with sorry. I'm gonna stop that now. We're gonna go up and go back and var Minecraft splashes, right? Okay, Minecraft splashes. Yes, it works. Okay, so we can put so now what we're gonna do is since I'm dumb, I want to be able to have a function called get Minecraft splash. All right, so function get Minecraft splash. I'm thinking of maybe making this asynchronous, so then we can actually have it all being done at the same time. I'm just not sure if that would actually work. Ah! Ow! Sorry. Wait, I don't think that's actually correct syntax. Oh, never mind. Okay. Get Minecraft splash. So now we're gonna return that stuff there. So now, if we type get Minecraft splash, then we will get a random Minecraft splash text / give at a hug 64. That's that's the best splash out of all of them. It's just so nice. What is even the purpose of the splash text file? I don't really know. Nom, 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 nom. Oh, wait. That must mean, like, that must have been added, like, those must have been added to the font for the game. Oh. Like ASCII extended characters. Anyway. What we're going to do here is we're going to type plant trees. We're going to plant 2 trees. We have successfully planted 2 trees. So, as you can see, we have searched up 2 different Minecraft splash texts. So what we can do now is I wonder what that's for. So what we're going to do now is we're going to plant trees. We're going to plant 64 trees because it's only appropriate for it to be a number. Like, we're going to plant a whole stack, alright? We're planting a whole stack of trees. Okay. It's appropriate to use a whole stack of trees since we're using too many requests. Okay, well, that's one of the real Minecraft splashes? That makes me happy. Wait, I was actually right about how to spell that? Ah, okay. It looks like we've done too many requests here. So, I think we need to change our plan here, alright? So first, I need to go pee, alright? I need to pee. So, Okay. So now, it looks like we have been searching too many things. So it knows what we're up to. No, just kidding. It doesn't know what we're up to. It's just that, you see, servers are computers too. They have a limited amount of time. They take time to actually respond to different requests. So if you send out a bunch of requests to a server, then often what that server will do, at least what it would ideally do, is to just refuse to respond to some of those requests. Is to just refuse to respond to all of the extra requests that, all of the ridiculous, like, it'll refuse to respond to all the requests after a certain number of requests have been made from a certain IP address in a certain amount of time. So, anyway. So we're gonna rename this plant. We're gonna rename this plant. We're gonna rename this function just plant. We're gonna rename this function to just splash. All right. So we can't actually know. So we actually can't know the state of the iframe. We can't actually know the state of all of these pages there, of all those pages, from this page, because that would be a security problem, apparently. Supposedly it would be a security issue. Supposedly it would be a security issue. I'm not really sure if it actually would be, but oh well. What we're gonna do is set timeout. Actually, no. What we can do is create our variable called t. So what we can do is create a variable called t. We can create a variable called I and a variable called t. And then we'll set t to set. And then actually, this should be like v. I don't know. I'm just gonna go with x. Set interval, and we're gonna make it asynchronous because we're fancy. Because we're making it asynchronous because we're really fancy around here. It's an async function. If plus plus I is greater than or equal to x, then console.log planted all trees. Planted all requested trees. So, okay. So, we're going to also clear interval x. That's what the variable x is for. It's to store this. And since this function is actually being declared within this function, then it'll actually have the access to those variables because those variables are in this function, so it gets those. So it gets those variables. Next thing we're doing is we also have to actually plant the tree. Also, I'm gonna use await, so then it's I don't know, I guess fancier. Now we don't really know what the rate limit for this server is, so we're gonna use 125 milliseconds or like 200 milliseconds. Now we're gonna use 50 milliseconds because, you know, Minecraft. Everything in this has to be Minecraft themed. Text. Yes, I know that making this asynchronous doesn't actually affect anything. Document.body.inner HTML equals plus equals that. And now we have to actually look up the thing again because we have to search on here. All right. This really does try to be very friendly, very user friendly for Google users. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed with that, with how similar this manages to be with just like the overall experience to Google search. Okay, frick, we can't just have AAA. We're gonna have to put splash. So now I don't think we need parentheses there. So now we're gonna put plant one. We're gonna plant one tree. Splash is not to. Oh frick! That was never supposed to happen. Why is this not working? Oh, okay. Text. We're just gonna put get text. We're gonna put get query because you know, that's what we're doing. We're getting a search query out of a list of possible search queries. So we're gonna backspace all this out of here. We're gonna backspace out all this stuff. Document.body.inner HTML equals empty string. So now what we can do is just press enter here, and we're gonna put plant one. We're gonna plant one tree. Minecraft splashes is not. Oh frick. You have to go back and copy and paste. We have to go back and Control A, Control C all of our Minecraft splashes, and then put them all right. Oh frick. Okay, I have to put it right there. Enter. So now we should be able to actually plant one tree. Oh frick. Heck, this isn't right. Document.body.inner text equals empty string. Oh frick. Oh wait, I'm sorry, we forgot Covfefe. I don't even know what a Covfefe is, to be honest. It's being weird. We have this handy little function here called console.clear. Oh frick. Okay, there we go. So our console is clear enough that we can scroll. I forgot to actually make this an iframe. Sorry about my obvious mistake. Iframe src equals that. Okay. Now we should be able to plant one tree. Okay, that's not right. Oh wait, that shouldn't be X. That should be trees, not X. That should be trees, not X. I'm not sure why I missed that. There we go. So we're gonna plant one tree. We're gonna remove those, and now plant one tree. We have successfully planted one tree. So now we're gonna plant a whole stack of trees as planned earlier. At least we're gonna attempt to. Oh no. I think this is going to not work because we're still gonna be making all these requests all at the same time. Maybe we can try using the fetch API. Maybe that might work better. Planted all trees. Yeah, obviously too many requests. We've obviously made too many requests here. So, what can I do to fix it? First of all, I can stop being a stupid head. So, remove everything. Now, we actually have a legitimate reason now to be using an async function, because what we're going to do here is we're going to await fetch. We're gonna put our URL. Oh frick, it's broken. Oh frick, I messed up. Oh frick. In this moment, he knew that he fricked up. So, I'm gonna actually solve this problem here. You fix that stuff. And now what we're gonna do is await fetch. And also another great thing about the fetch API is that it's not actually creating another web browsing context. So the people specifying how it works didn't need to worry about security with it, because the whole point of it is just to get data and be able to get the data. So, yeah. That means that we can actually know when we planted each individual tree. Var current equals plus plus I. Now we're gonna put current. So now we can actually know exactly what tree. So now we know exactly which tree that we just planted. And this is still right. So there we go. Then dang it. Okay. Console.log successfully planted tree. That makes me really mad. Because now I have to write all that again. Dumb. Okay. Big gay. Okay, so we have to delete all of the dumbness. This is why we must copy and paste things every 5 seconds. What was that? Await fetch. So now, since we're actually, okay, plant one. We will attempt to plant one tree. That's weird. Oh, wait, we need to not be on the new tab page. Okay. So I guess we have to go to the actual site in order to see the number of trees planted. But, hopefully, what we will notice here is that when I actually begin planting all of my trees, or at least hopefully planting all my trees, then it will actually increase this counter. So we need to know about how JavaScript promises work, because I don't know how to heckin' create an error callback. Lol. Wow, it's actually a good search engine because it found the exact page I was looking for. Very useful. Dot catch, I guess. So I guess what we have to do is,
What is it?
So, Dad, what are you talking about? Yeah? Did it leave? Did the water go away? Where did it go? Wait, so is there just like a giant puddle in the middle of the road in the other neighborhood then? Oh, dang it, I thought there would be a giant puddle. Dang it. But I wanted to jump into a giant puddle and see if there are any frogs in it. Because frogs are cool. I mean, obviously frogs and axolotls are both cool, but yeah. So, we have to console.log loop finished. So, oh wait. So put R, I guess, is our request. And then r.then, we're gonna put our function here that will run, that will tell us successfully planted tree number current. Put r.catch failed to plant tree number current. So now we should be able to press enter and type plant 1. Successfully planted tree number 1. I want to see. I need to make sure that that this actually works. Return r.text. Dot then text. Oh heck. Console.log text. So now we need to make sure it's actually loading. Sorry, we need to make sure it's loading the page properly. Ah! Why? Why? Oh, frick. Oh wait. I messed up on my arrow function thing. Arrow functions are cool, I guess. They're not really that cool. But I guess arrow functions are they're okay. Why? Are you mad at me or something? Plant 5 trees. Dang it, no. Okay, scroll down, please. Plant 5 trees. Enter. Oh. Darn. Okay, scroll down. Why? I guess we'll just try plant 64 trees. We'll just plant a whole stack of trees. Oh no. Well that doesn't work. Okay, what? Sorry. I'm back. Hopefully my dad doesn't find that that drawer that I accidentally yoinked out of the thing. Okay. I don't know. Pizza? So what we need to do here is to go eat some popcorn. Where's my popcorn? No! My popcorn went away. No, where's my popcorn? No. Frick. Okay. So it looks like we're still going too fast. So I guess we'll have a delay of about like 1 second. Hello? Oh, wait. Plant. 64. So we need to plant a whole stack of trees. Okay? I think we might actually be planting some trees right now. What did we actually search? Hang on. So I'm going to add another feature to my tree planting software. With search query json.stringify. Why is that going up steadily? I'm going to create a variable called q. So now this will just use the variable q. Now we can show q right there. Enter. So now we can plant 16 trees. That's a whole stack of tree eggs, alright? Because seeds are just tree eggs. So, and you can stack eggs up to 16. You can stack up to 16 eggs in one item slot. So yeah, it looks like most of our trees did get actually planted. So, I think I might actually make a tree planting API. But for now, I'm gonna check out that you know, that thing that like basically makes Linux available within Windows. I want to check that out because I don't really know much about. Does this anything about pineapple? Oh, lives in a pineapple under the sea. I just saw it again. Okay, so this is our first episode of whatever the heck it is, ASMR. What is Xbox Console Companion? Fine. Okay. What was I about to do? Okay. Let's see. Do this. So, we're gonna run this. Right? What's this? Is this like an actual graphical version? Wait, isn't there like a Windows sandbox now? Or what? Was that a different update? I don't think they're pushing out that update yet. What's this? Well, sandbox.js. Oh, right, that was just the the something and the face tracking thing, I don't know. Okay. I'm gonna run that. So, here we are. We are on the command prompt thing. Clear. Clear is my favorite command because it removes annoying things. Oh, cool. We can actually copy and paste on here. Nice. Nice. We can actually copy and paste on here. Oh, what is that noise? I hate it. What noise? Does AP2 get? Okay, so, I'm gonna use sudo because I don't really know. Oh yeah, right. This is Linux ASMR. We have to be quiet. So this is our first distro we are going to be reviewing, which is I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm just gonna call it I burned your toe. I burned toe. I'm calling it I burned toe because it's like ow, I burned my toe. Ow, I burned my toe on how fire this video is. So we're going to sudo apt-get install and snake. Enter. Okay. Password for plane. I forgot what my password was. I forgot what my password was. What was my password? Dang it, I forgot what my password was. Was it password? Frick, I forgot what my password is. Is it my Windows password? Ah, frick, I forgot what my password is. Maybe we can't use sudo that way. Unable to lock the RU root, frick. Okay. I forgot what my password was, so like, I need to figure out how to reset everything. Whoa, I can do this. Really? Cool. Oh, frick. I forgot what my password was that I set on here. Properties. This is just a console window. Raster fonts, obviously. Nobody likes any other font more than this font. This is the best font. This is objectively the best font. So we're gonna run my, we're gonna run my favorite command. We're gonna run my favorite command again, which is clear, of course. Does CLS work? Or like, is CLS a different? Huh. That's weird. Why is it so slow? Okay. Seems like there's something wrong here. I need. Oh, frick, that's scary. Why is that lightning so scary? Oh, there are app settings. That's cool. So like, do the app settings for this app allow me to reset my installation thingy? Maybe the password is root. No. I remember, like, I think I created an account on here. Oh, really? The app is 0 bytes. Definitely. Sure. Frick. Wait, I can do that? Whoa. Cool. Reset. The app's data won't be affected. No, I want to reset the app's data. Reset. So permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Yes, that's what I want to do. I want to revert of everything that I had done since I started using it. What? Oh, heck. Did it successfully reset? I can't tell. So if I start it, installing. Okay. Um. I guess I'll go do other things while this installs. Anyway, that's not what I wanted to do. Anyway, something I think they should do with these, something I think that this should do is this should have a progress bar, because, it's Windows, it needs a progress bar. Everything has a progress bar on Windows. Mwahaha. Reporting problem. Okay, seriously though, why isn't there, like, a built-in thing on Windows for just adding in a scroll, like not a scroll bar, I mean like a progress bar that's, or a scroll bar that's actually integrated into the window itself? That would be a pretty cool feature. Anyway, I gotta go poopy. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna mute the video. I'm gonna, turn that off. The hide thing. How do I hide it? I guess I can just remove. I mean, make that completely silent. Anyway, I'm gonna actually make it completely silent now, and I'm gonna keep talking so that the gradual decay as it goes down sounds really nice and things and stuff and things and stuff and. I am sorry, little one, but I am a... Oh, yeah, it's working. Okay, I have to enter using it. I'm gonna put Blaine. Obviously, because that's my name. Oh my gosh, very cool. Enter new Unix password. How do you put in a Unix password? So I'm gonna put in as my password some text that is a secret because it's a password. Okay. Okay. We typed a new Unix password. Okay. Password password updated successfully. Okay. I am now signed in. So now we can get on with our business. Now we can get on with our business at Linux ASMR. That was gross. Well, that was gross. Help. We're gonna let's see if this is a good gaming PC. We're gonna install this software here. All right. Unable to locate oh frick. What all things are we able to install? Am I able to install this thing? This Tetris thing? Okay. Well, that's annoying. I don't know what is available. apt get help. Help apt get info apt get. Okay. Is there a way to list all of the packages that are available? Well, I have no idea what to do. Oh. Well, that was dumb. I guess I'll try this one. Because I'm pretty sure this one might work. I think this one might work. Maybe. Probably not, but it could. Root at Blaine's-computer. Wait, so am I already here? So am I already just ready to go ahead and start typing and stuff? Okay. apt get install. If I can't install this on here, I'm gonna be heckin' angry. Oh. That's sad. Okay. How do I install things? I don't think it's possible to install a desktop on here, but I don't think it's possible to install any kind of graphical interface on one of these things. But moist help. Okay. Linux terminal game. This Linux terminal game. Linux terminal game. Okay, let's see. How do I install it? Okay, so if this works, then I know that it's probably just me being big dumb. Okay, well, if anyone can explain to me why this doesn't work, that would be great. Hang on. I'm gonna see if any of these other things work. Or, like, am I even able to install stuff on here? Or, like, does it kind of just have that so that things work? Well, that doesn't work. Frick. What? Dang it. There. VI improved. Or V improved. Whatever it is. I guess we can type. Hello, poor children in Uganda. No, wait, that says help poor children in Uganda. No, I do not know Dway. Goodbye. Stop using the dead meme. That's great. I'm not sure if that's like randomly chosen from a list of possible. Oh darn! I wanted to type some cool things. Okay, clear. How do I clear on here? Quit. Enter. Quit. Quit. Control Z. Okay, there. Stop. Clear. What the heck am I supposed to do? Okay. This makes me sad because it seems like it would be really useful to do stuff in here. Greed. Pac-Man 4 console. Does this... What kinds of things can I actually install? What kinds of software do I have available? Sudo apt get install Pac-Man 4 console. This makes me very triggered and also sad because none of these are available. Poop. What do I... Wait. Okay, I'm just gonna stop. That was terrible. What am I about to do? Okay, I guess we'll just like... I really don't know what we're gonna do here. I really don't know what we're gonna do now, because like, since we've already done that, then it's not very interesting. So I thought of this way of like, of encrypting passwords that would be just completely, basically impenetrable. So basically what happens is, like, we would have to find an encryption algorithm that would take in two inputs. So it would take in the password and it would take in the key. So the key would basically be used as like a seed, something of like that something of that nature. So the key would be like, it would take a password and a key. So the key would be like just like the key would basically be used to generate something. It would basically be used to generate the procedure of the encryption algorithm. Anyway, so what we would do is that the server would send to the client, whenever the client wants to connect, the server sends a random number, let's say like, so the server sends a random number to the client whenever the client wants to connect, alright? So then, I think this terminal probably thinks that I'm being a weirdo, but anyway, so we send a random number to the client, alright? And then the client, since the client is such a hacking client, then then the client wants, so like then after receiving that, then the client encrypts that number using the password as the key. So then when the server gets that and decrypts it using the password as the key, then if it's the same number, then it'll know you typed in the right password. But if someone else got it, they wouldn't be able to figure out the password without knowing what the password was first. So basically, it's just impenetrable security unless you just try to guess it, which obviously that's not going to work because you don't know what the number is, so there's no way to check if you got it correct. There's no way to check if you got the correct password, other than, I mean, I guess you could try just logging in, but there's no way to actually check if you got the correct if you guessed the correct password because you don't know what the session ID was, I mean, unless they intercepted that too. But anyway, I just like doing this. It's very trippy. Cool. What is it down there? It's so loud. So cool. Anyway, I'm just gonna stop and I'm gonna do other things later. I guess I'll make like some kind of web app or something. Maybe I'll make a new postbox update. Actually, I know what I'll do right now. I know what I'll do to finish off this live stream. Get for Windows. Obviously. Get for Windows. Yeet. 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 Okay. Yeet. Okay. Download. Download. So what is my path like in all uppercase? I don't know what that means. Next. 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 Why can't I use Notepad? Yes, use Adam. Why can't I use Adam? I have it installed. I literally do have it installed. Browse. I'm use Notepad as my default editor because I'm a weirdo. C:\\Windows System 32. Okay. Notepad.exe. Next. Next. I don't know what that's about. Check out Windows style, commit Unix style landings. Okay then. Which terminal emulator? Guess I'll use that then. Next. I don't know what it's for. Okay. Well, I guess I'll do that to finish my live stream. Okay. Oh no! Wow, those are some pretty nice release notes. Very big, large, thick, dummy thick release notes. These are some dummy thick release notes. Okay. Anyway.